The Motorola Moto G06 series has been officially announced and features a 7,000 mAh battery. The brand is broadening its entry-level lineup with two new models, the Moto G06 and the Moto G06 Power. The latter stands out significantly due to its impressive battery capacity. Both models share a nearly identical design, showcasing vibrant colors. This time they incorporate a collaboration with Pantone and feature IP64 water and dust resistance. So they should not be submerged, they are merely splash resistant. Their screen is 6.88 inches LCD with HD resolution, but with a refresh rate that is at least more fluid, 120 Hz and 600 nits of brightness. We are in front of very simple screens that at least arrive protected with Gorilla Glass 3. In sound, we find good news because it is a stereo configuration compatible with Dolby Atmos and for performance. Both devices integrate the MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra processor, which only has 4G connectivity and is very basic, fortunately accompanied by up to 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of expandable storage. In cameras, they feature a 50-megapixel main sensor and an 8-megapixel front camera. However, as I mentioned earlier, the significant difference lies in the battery and charging capabilities. The Moto G06 Power boasts a massive 7,000 mAh battery that supports 18 watts charging, whereas the Moto G06 the battery has a decent capacity of 5,200 mAh. Even though it only charges at 10 watts, nothing more. Both devices come with Android 15, which isn't exactly great in mid-September of 2025. However, the initial launch is set for Europe with a starting price of €129.99. This is for the most basic configuration, which at the current exchange rate is around 2,850 Mexican pesos. Of course, keep in mind that prices here aren't the same as over there, at least for now. Tell me in the comments what's more useful in entry level, a big battery or 5G.